1605 Pinecone Circle is located in the unique Lakeside neighborhood just off Lakeshore Drive in Incline Village, Nevada. Unique amenities include private beach for homeowners, including a common pier and association buoy field.
Hi, I'm Carrie Donovan.
I'm Kevin Donovan.
And I'm Megan Parr-Warren. We're the Donovan Group luxury team of Chase International in Incline Village.
Here we are at the Homeowners Beach for 1605 Pinecone Circle, one of the unique amenities for this amazing property. Let's go take a look.
The property is gated at the driveway and offers inviting great room floor plan. The chef's kitchen opens to the great room for a wonderful entertaining space. One of 5 bedroom suites for a main level living options is on this level. The upper level primary suite includes private deck with views of Lake Tahoe and generous ensuite bath with steam shower and soaking tub. Three other suites or flex spaces, a home theater, and recreation hub are also included on this level. This home has all you need to enjoy the Lake Tahoe lifestyle.
Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact the Donovan Group luxury team at Chase International.